Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple red velvet Madeleines using a few ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, add in the ingredients and mix everything well together. I put in the wet ingredients first before putting in the dry ingredients, and then I just combined everything. If you have time, I recommend sifting the dry ingredients first. Lastly, I added a little bit of red food coloring and mixed it well again. I ended up adding more than 2 drops of red food coloring because I really wanted the red to show up in the Madeleines. So after the batter is mixed well, I used a small ice cream scoop and scooped the batter onto a Madeleine pan. Then I just baked the Madeleines in the preheated oven. So this is how the inside of a red velvet Madeleine looks like. Once the Madeleines are completely cooled, I decorated the top with royal icing and sanding sugar, as well as edible heart sprinkles. By the way, if you want to make these red velvet Madeleines, the list of ingredients is in the video description. So to smooth out the royal icing on top of the Madeleines, I used a rainbow heart cookie scribe needle tool to do it. I am also selling these, and I put a link in the video description on where to get your own rainbow heart cookie scribe. So have you tried red velvet Madeleines before? If so, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And also, if you like this video, definitely press like, share it with others, and let me know. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.